Right. Bought the Sony 65-inch mini LED QLED 4K. Used it. Here's what I actually think. The one thing that really got to me about this TV was the lack of HDMI 2.1 ports. Just two, in fact. Now, you might be thinking, how bad can that be? But let me tell you, if you're a serious gamer or plan on having multiple 8K devices connected at the same time, you'll want to look elsewhere. Despite this flaw, I still think the Sony K-65XR90 is a phenomenal TV. First off, the picture quality is absolutely incredible. Thousands of mini LEDs precisely controlled by XR backlight master drive deliver authentic contrast and our brightest ever 4K TV. And that makes all the difference in a darkroom or when watching action-packed movies. Another feature that really stood out to me was the XR processor's ability to intelligently enhance every scene in real time, boosting color, contrast, and clarity. I mean, who doesn't love a better-looking picture? It's like having a personal artist adjusting the colors and brightness on the fly. And with X-wide angle and X-anti-reflection, you can enjoy a beautiful picture from any angle, reduced glare, no fuss. And then there's Google TV, which brings all your favorite streaming apps into one convenient place. Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, the Apple TV app, Crunchyroll, and many more are all at your fingertips, with support for AirPlay 2 and Chromecast built in. Plus, with Google Assistant, you can use your voice to search and ask questions. Nice touch. Now, let's talk about the Sony Pictures Core app, which includes a bunch of free 4K UHD movies and a subscription service that lets you redeem credits for new releases. That's some serious value right there. In conclusion, while the lack of HDMI 2.1 ports is definitely a drawback, it's not enough to keep me from recommending the Sony K-65XR90. If you're in the market for an amazing 4K TV with incredible picture quality and all the features you need, this one should be on your shortlist. But if you're a serious gamer or plan on having multiple 8K devices connected at the same time, you might want to look elsewhere. That's my 2 cents. Buy it if you can afford the extra HDMI ports, skip it otherwise. Subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. I'll keep it straight with you every time.